Hi everyone, shall we see how to install Sileo using Neko JB online? Let's get started. Search install Sileo from NekoJB.com. Select link in the top. Scroll down the page and find the download button. Install Neko online. First of all, install Jailbreak Pro. Once you installed the app, open it from home screen, select Neko Jailbreak, install it. Now open the Neko JB and start the jailbreak. After the completion of jailbreak, a new app Neko Util will be installed. It's time to install Sileo. Open the Neko Util, select Sileo package and install. Whether you're a seasoned jailbreaker or a newbie looking to explore the world of iOS customization, Sileo is definitely a tool you should consider. It's modern, user-friendly, and makes managing your tweaks easier than ever. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video. If you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions or comments down below. Are you using Sileo already, or are you thinking about giving it a try? Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, keep customizing and stay awesome.